Welcome back to the antique clock shop. Okay, back to putting this Hershede clock movement back together. Okay, looks like the next step we gotta put these spring barrels in there. So we'll go ahead and start with this side first. I'll give you a little shot of those little view of these gears down here with the other camera. Here you can see how they move together. Kind of a cool shot. Okay, now we're going to put these in. If I can get the camera right there. Slide that in. Let's see. Yeah, they're going to go that way. Alright. Now I've got to find. I think I move around here. There it is. See that on the other side. Let's see if I can flip it over without. It comes out the other side there. I'll go ahead and slip the other one in there. Alright. Slide the other arbor in place. There we go. Now on the other side, we're going to have to put the clips back on it. There it is. Alright. Clip back on there to hold that in there. Oh boy, that's a challenge. You got to make sure you get the screw lined right up with the hole and don't cross thread it. It'll cause you problems if you cross thread it. Go ahead and tighten those up. Alright, now we can flip it back over and start getting these spring clicks put back in. It's going to go just like that. Okay, we'll get the spring clicks in there. We'll go ahead and get these screws installed. You gotta be careful, like on the arbor there. You don't want to cross thread the screw into the plate. You just gotta kind of get a feel for how you're dropping it in there and tightening it up. Do it by hand there, it's a little easier. Trying to put a screwdriver on it right away. Let's see, gotta. Okay, this one goes up here. There we go. Just getting a little confused there. I was trying to figure out where that one went. Difficult. I think I got it. Let's see. Okay, so you can see I put pressure on that gear, it starts moving the escapement wheel, starts spinning the main arbor for the clock hands. Hi, this is Dave from the Antique Clock Shop. I'm hoping you enjoyed the content of this video. I'm going to continue working on different angles, shots with cameras. I'm using the DJI nano camera to get the close-up shots of the gears. I still gotta work on the distance because the shot was a little blurry, but we're still working. It's a work in progress. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.